Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Ride-hailing company InDrive is speaking out this evening after one of its drivers remained in police custody in connection with a missing UTech student. The disappearance of 20-year-old Anissa Dilworth has rekindled conversations around violence against women. Now, as the outrage continues, news came today that the businessman caught on video assaulting a nurse has been denied bail. Romardo Lyons has our story.
Bail denied. 65-year-old businessman Robert Bell, the man seen in a viral video attacking a nurse with a firearm in hand, will remain in lockup. Mr. Bell's attorney, Christopher Townsend, explained that the decision was made mainly due to safety concerns.
She refused the bail on the grounds that since the video has gone viral, for his safety, it is best that he remained where he is. She did, however, indicate that as soon as we have received all the documents, that we are at liberty to make another bail application, which we will do.
The accused businessman is scheduled to return to court on July 9. In the West, demonstrations continued today from nurses assigned to the Cornwall Regional Hospital. The main message?
No excuse for abuse! No.
We do not believe that there is an excuse for abuse. So we are standing together with everyone because we want to say no to gender-based violence and especially violence against children, women and nurses. We have to let justice take its course, but he should get the full length of the law.